So this was Ramen Koike, famous for their Niboshi Ramen. I'm here with Tom, and we just got their two, I would say, most popular bowls, the Asari Niboshi Ramen and the Noko Rich Niboshi Ramen. You got the Asari one, right?
Asari.
How was that one?
It was really great. I almost had to ask myself if it was actually had sardines in it because it was so light, it was salty and just delicious. And for me, the standout feature was probably the tama, the aji tama. Like it's just in shio, I think. There's no soy, so it's like a light color.
Right. It looks like very light.
Yeah,
there's no big coloring on that
I
one.
thought it was a freshly boiled egg at first, but it was definitely tasty.
Oh yeah. The texture was on point on that one. I think I had the same one. There was a lot of color, but a nice flavor on it. So I got the rich bowl, and the main difference between, I would say, the rich bowl and the light Asari bowl is that in the rich bowl there's a lot of collagen. So you got like this really creamy mouthfeel that you might know from a very good tonkotsu, but you still have this niboshi sardine flavor in the background, and it's a very nice combination, I would say. One that is not very usual, I would reckon. Usually you have like more a light broth and this very heavy punch from the sardines. What I really liked was the topping. I think that is sous vide cooked chashu, sliced in very nice and thin cuts, draped on top of the ramen as a mountain. Really good. If you're a ramen nerd and you like Niboshi Ramen, then this might be a place for you to put on your list. And I think that's all for today. Thanks again for joining me. I think this might be the last video where you're joining me.
It could be, yeah. I'm moving back to my home country soon, so it's been really great being in a few of your videos before, so thanks for showing me around.
No
you introduced me to my first bowl, I'm pretty sure. I got into ramen because of your videos, so...
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, as always, if you like my videos, click like and subscribe. and maybe in the future, if you're ever back in Japan, we'll do one more. And I'll see you guys in the next one.